In an age where misleading information is everywhere, imagine a technology that made it impossible to fake data. A technology that allowed you to detect fraud or even warn you of counterfeit goods. Were the parts installed in your family vehicle genuine? Fixed by a certified mechanic with the proper tools? Did that second-hand salesman really give you a fair deal? How can you be sure? Vechain has built the world's first truth machine. Vechain 4 is a powerful public blockchain platform that empowers consumers and corporations alike by creating transparency and openness where there previously was none. Decentralized, trustless data enables information sharing in an entirely new way, opening the door for collaboration and cooperation across industries and sectors in ways that have been previously impossible. For these reasons, the technology is considered a critical backbone of the fourth industrial revolution, enabling entirely new ways to share data across national borders, businesses, and governments. Vechain's scalable business model provides the perfect platform for the emerging blockchain industry. Toolchain, Vechain's all-in-one blockchain toolkit, is used by key channel partners such as DNVGL and PwC to build customized solutions for their client networks across a wide array of industries. These solutions, once built, can be repackaged and rebranded whilst deploying the same underlying infrastructure. Vechain 4. This highly customizable and scalable approach to adoption positions Vechain perfectly to be able to rapidly adapt to a growing market and to capitalize on burgeoning demand for blockchain as a service. With data quality assurance part of the toolchain offering, Vechain is the only viable option for enterprises looking to transition to blockchain. Vechain's mission towards mass adoption has led to some ingenious technological solutions. Protocols such as fee delegation remove the need for an end user to manage or even own crypto, and does away with the need to pay for transaction fees. A consumer scanning a product may never even realize they are interacting with a blockchain, yet enjoy the experience as they would expect from any modern application or internet-based web page. To achieve mass adoption, disruption must not feel disruptive. Vechain has perfected this approach with its systematic resolving of key adoption pain points. Vechain's token economics are intelligently designed to transform data in value. Transactions directly translate to demand for VTHO, the token burned when writing data to the network. Increasing demand for VTHO creates real value for both tokens by creating real-world demand. With 1 million VET, not only is an individual able to help supply businesses with VTHO, empowering citizens placing a valuable resource in the hands of citizens. Reversing the typical economic power structure, individuals are also able to take part in network governance decisions, with voting rights partaking in steering committee elections, community matters, and other matters related to the network. The value proposition of Vechain's technology speaks for itself. A division of the world's largest company, Walmart China, has been using Vechain 4 for its Walmart traceability platform, with plans to expand across 50% of meat products, 40% of vegetables, 12.5% of seafood by 2020's end. Bayer, one of the world's largest pharmaceutical giants, recently adopted Vechain toolchain to build C-Secure, a drug traceability platform. A recent report from the German Federal Office for Information Security formally recognized Vechain for its intelligent supply chain management solutions and advanced technologies. Highly influential, well-reputed multinationals from BMW to Deloitte, DB Schenker, and Haier are all looking to Vechain to help build their next-generation digital infrastructure. Vechain's versatile public blockchain is also taking on some of the greatest threats to our planet today. Plastic in the oceans, sustainable fishing, and circular economic systems are all being targeted by Vechain 4, with blockchain facilitating a potential environmental and sustainability revolution for humanity. European nation San Marino is building a solution for its citizens that rewards pro-environmental behavior, such as reduced water consumption, recycling, or increased public transport usage with SMIT tokens, able to be redeemed for rewards. In China, drivers of BYD electric vehicles can earn carbon credits for the emissions they offset, which can be exchanged for reduced insurance, food items, and even healthcare. The potential use cases for blockchain are vast and only limited by imagination. At just 2 years old, Vechain's mainnet is already delivering the most real-world value of any blockchain network. Its network effects are vast, its first-mover advantage is tremendous, and its technological maturity is unrivaled. The scale of upheaval in the years ahead for many is unfathomable. Millions of businesses and billions of global citizens are to undergo a digital transformation, the likes of which has not been seen since the birth of the internet. Unlike the internet, however, the implications of blockchain are far more profound. Vechain's transcendence is close. The years spent on building infrastructure are on the edge of fruition. The phoenix is ready to soar.